Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. So without further ado, let's start. So first, what you're going to do is to open your Snapseed app and then upload the photo from your media gallery. You can select any of the photo. After selecting the photo, so now what you're going to do is go to Tools bar and then select Double Exposure. After that, click the photo icon at the bottom. So let's import the photo one more time. Just select again the photo. After that, what you're going to do is to move the photo on the lighter left side. So right now you'll see that there's two people like standing next to each other. And there you'll see the opacity of the photo, it's in 50%. Change it to 100%. Now click the button at the top, then click View Edits. Click again to double exposure and then click the brush icon. Zoom in to the subject and then start brushing. So now just brush, brush, brush. And then you'll see that the person is deleted. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.